Hello, wonderful people of this world. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you had a great Christmas. So, before I tell you about today's video, I have two things. First of all, I have the hiccup, so if I randomly stop for some reason, you know why. Second of all, I'm wearing a hat because my hair's a mess and I don't want to brush it. And I think it looks cute. But anyways, today's video, I'm going to be giving you a quick little tour of my new art room, which I made from a little closet storage thing under my stairs. I had this storage closet and it was a mess, so I decided to glam it up into a brand new art room, and I think it looks a lot better now. So I'm going to be giving you a tour of that. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, hello again. It's me in the dark with my light. That looks terrible on camera. Oh, that's a lot prettier. But I'm going to give you a little sticker tour now. So I'm going to set my recording device, aka my phone, right here. So I have my sticker drawer right next to me. And I'm going to start out with my small sticker book. By the way, this is like a very small portion of all the stickers I have. So, yeah. And if you're wondering why this is so low, well, that's because I'm under stairs. And that's the way it's designed. But I'm really short and I'm sitting. So I don't get to stand in here, but it's really nice. But anyways, to the stickers. This is my first sticker book. It's from me and my big ideas. And as I see it on camera, everything is backwards. But yeah, you can see kind of by the cover what it's like. It has 811 pieces. And by the way, just a warning, all of these stickers will be like partially used, but I still have a lot. Let's just open it up to this first page. Yeah, there's a sloth. I love how these have sloths. It's just got some cute things. I really love the leaf patterns and like the sloths. You can kind of just look at that. I really need to hurry up, otherwise this process will take forever. Next page. More leaves, cute things. Yep, I love these glasses. On to the next page. More kind of that style. Again, with this. There's a used sticker. This page says like winter break and summer break. And it has like a sloth, and it had a ton of like leaves and flowers here. But like I said, I really like those, so I used them. And these say spring break and fall break because we just had winter and summer break. And then it's got some like taco night kind of thing. This is like a ton of office supply stickers. I think it's really cute. You've got like paper clips and paintbrushes and notepads. This is probably one of my favorite pages, again with the flowers, leaves, and sloths. This page, it's got some like long things, and I think you're meant to write on these stickers because it's material you could write on. This one, it's kind of things that say like choose joy, don't overthink it, motivational things. More motivational things, but bigger. And if you want to take a closer look, you can always pause. Another one of the like things you're probably meant to write on. Let me see, what does it say? Yeah, this says plan your dreams. So you'll like write things down on it. This with like to-do stickers, free time, me time, to-do, today, to-do, all that in bright colors. Some pretty gold letters that are reflecting my purple lights, turning purple. And some pretty pink letters, which are reflecting my purple lights, making them look more pink, even though they're purple lights. Some like different subject stickers, with like math, English, science, history, elective, homeroom priority, as I try to read backwards. And then the exact same thing, but in gold. And then we have you can just look with all the different events. And then these things that say do and today, and these more things that say like do and projects. By the way, if you're looking for a short video, this probably won't be short. So I'm just going to mention that while we're only like 8 minutes in. These that say like project and assignment. These that have like test, due, test, quiz, whatever. These that have little event stickers like tests and quizzes and more kind of things. And then more of that, and at the bottom we have these, which were also on the other page, but these with just all the words. If you want to read them all, you can pause the video. Try to make it so you can read them. These stickers that say noted and stuff on them. These little like today little to-do boxes, and then some star stickers and some don't forget stickers at the top. And then some blank rainbow ones and some little dot stickers. So if you wrote out all your to-dos, you could use the dots to like check it off or something. These stickers, which I'm pretty sure you write on, they're all like material you could write on. More of those stickers that you should write on. Otherwise, it would be real weird to have them. And that's the end of the first book. So I probably won't get through my entire sticker drawer. But, oh my gosh, my tassel just fell. Probably because I taped it to the wall. Let's try to ignore that. That does happen though. I very poorly taped these. So on to the next book. This is also by that same brand, Me and My Big Ideas, from the Happy Planner. And if you read the sticker, I got it on a good sale. I wouldn't get it if it were $50, but I got it, and it was $15. It's got like all these cute stickers. It has a lot of stickers. So it opens up like this, which is going to be harder for me to demonstrate. So you like flip through them, but I will try my very best. So you can see the front page. I totally used that one up. And there's this. And I am gonna not flip through every page because every single page there are 2 of, which I really like because I always feel guilty using stickers, but if there are 2, I will use it. So this is an Under the Sea theme. Same page as before. Then some more different Under the Sea themes with like different sea creatures. Some plain things you can write on. More plain things you can write on. Some gems. Some more gems that aren't that color. Or not that shiny, I guess I should say. Some label things that you can write on. And most of these you can write on. They're not like a material you can't write on. Some thinner label things you can write on. Some rainbows. Don't worry, I used plenty of the rainbows. I'm just showing you the unused page because there are 2. Totally used page. Flowers. Flowers. There are a ton of flower pages. There are big ones and small ones. And I've used most of the small ones. More empty flower pages. This, yeah. more of that. I'm really going to have to find a better angle to film that. Kind of more of the same thing, but in different colors and styles. And I am actually going to cut this and film from a different way, so yeah. Bye, but not bye. So I was planning on showing you more things like my washi tapes and maybe even a few more stickers, but I've decided this is enough for one video. So I'm going to say goodbye. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. And I'll probably do a part 2 with my little sticker collection and maybe another journaling video because I really like journaling, but I'm not really, I don't even know what to call it. I'm just not a perfectionist with journaling. I just like getting to show my creativity in the form of journaling. And I feel like what I want to do doesn't matter whether I have 24 subscribers or 2 million. I want to help people be happy, meanwhile make myself happy, and that's what my YouTube channel is about. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and Merry late Christmas, and always remember, try to be happy, and yeah, I will see you soon. Bye!